and welcome to a short video tutorial which will walk you through how to upload your reports to the Children in Scotland Evidence Bank. So the first thing you need to do is log on to www.evidencebank.org.uk. And once you've done that, this page should come up. Scroll right down to the bottom and you can see a section which says Add your reports to the Evidence Bank. Now you'll need to register to upload your report, so click on that. Just type in your name, your email address, and then decide whether it's for personal or organisational use. So I'm going to put organisation. My organisation is Children in Scotland. And then finally, just create a password for yourself. Consent that we are okay to use this report and your data, and then you can decide whether you want to be contacted by us or not. Once you're registered, then the next step is to actually upload your report. So if we scroll down again, and we want to click on Upload your report. So now we need as many details as possible about your report. So have a look at your report. My report title is pretty long and sometimes it doesn't let you put in the whole thing. So I'm just going to shorten it to call it What Kind of Edinburgh. You can add a subtitle if you like. I'm not going to at the moment. And then you want to upload your report file. Once you've done that, you want to give a quick overview of the report. Now you can write this by yourself, or you can have a look in your report to see if there is something you can copy over. So at the top of my report, I have seen a good section which explains the basics of the report and what it's about. I'm just going to copy that over and paste it. Then we want to know a little bit more information about the theme of your report. The report's going to be around participation and engagement, size of the study, year published, and the author. We want to know if your study was either Scotland-wide or if you want to think about a specific location. So mine was Scotland-wide. The age range, you can put in multiple age ranges or just one or two. And finally, if there's anything you think that we're missing, please add additional notes and tell us and we will sort that out for you. The last step is just to agree that your report can be publicly accessible. So click that if you consent, and finally submit report. And we're done. So thank you very much for listening. Hope that you found that easy, and if there's any questions, don't hesitate to contact Evidence Bank at childreninscotland.org.uk. Thanks for listening.